Hi everyone, this is Aya. Welcome to my Moonflower channel. So Ramadan is coming really soon. I'm so excited about that. First thing I will do is decorate my house. So let's get started with our decoration. So first of all, I have this construction paper from Walmart. I have the color blue, yellow, green, orange, and pink. I'm gonna use blue, and I have this paper. I made a copy. I'm gonna start to cut it out. So let's see. So I cut it out in this shape. I have another thing to do. Let's trace it first, then cut it out. Now let's cut it out. So I'm gonna have another paper, maybe color pink, and cut it out in the same shape and make it like in a bag. I'm gonna put it in a bag. I have paper here, so let's see. I made it before, so I download this paper, guys, from app Pinterest. Then I made a copy for that. Then I cut it out like how you see. So how do you like it? So next I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna have like a robe or something to hang all fanoos together, then hang it in the wall. And I have another shape for this fanoos. I have this paper from the same app Pinterest. I got it out, then I made it in this shape. Then I'm gonna make this hole. Then so I'm gonna use the rope to put them together. I'm gonna use all yellow and put one blue in the middle. So it's gonna be like this. So I'm gonna show you guys next video how I'm gonna hang them on the wall. Thank you.